Hello there. Today is August 4th, Sunday, and the window saga continues. So I've got a tarp over the bus right now. I put some caulking. Let me back up a little bit. The windows leak, right? Brand new windows. Freaking guys at the manufacturer didn't seal the window glass to the frame. I mean, you could tap on it and it would rattle. I got that glued. That does not rattle. Let's see if we can make this one. I don't know. This one leaks too. There you go, listen. That little tick sound is the sound of the glass not bonded. So, anyway, this one might be sealed up now. I took my finger and I massaged like this, the caulking down in between the glass and the aluminum frame. I guess I should back up a little bit. I went on the outside and I removed this little plastic keeper right here. It's hooked in there. You gotta push it in and pry it out. It's currently not installed on the side over there. And you can see the white. That's the caulking I squeezed in there. And you can see where it only went into a certain area. That's not because I didn't push it in anymore. That's the area that's was not adhered. And on the bottom you cannot see that because the plastic piece is installed. I guess you can just barely see the top edge. That caulking that I used will turn clear when it completely sets. So I want to make sure it does set well, and that's why I put the tarp over the bus. So for now, only this one window is permanently installed with the screws. I think I covered this in the last video. I used the polyurethane caulk, so this frame is permanently installed on the bus. You'd have to destroy it to remove it. What else? So I took the garden hose and I squirted on this from the outside, and water was coming in here as well. So I know this one leaks. So what I'm gonna do, I've only got 2 screws in each window. And I did that because I needed help. I had the little woman help me out to hold the window in place while I drilled and installed the first 2 screws on each window. And what that did is that held the window in place for me so I could drill all the rest of the holes. So on this side of the bus, all the holes are drilled. And on this side of the bus, I've only got 2 holes in each window. I haven't got to it yet. So that is work yet to be done. It's just been raining all day yesterday afternoon and all day today, so. Right? But what's really cool, this is the first time in pretty much since we've owned the bus ever that it's been raining and it's dry in the bus. There's no water on the floor anywhere. All the walls are dry, even the windows are dry, and they're not even caulked in. So for rain environment, these windows are doing their job. It's just for driving in a rainstorm kind of thing is what we're addressing right now, to reseal my brand new windows that should have been sealed from the factory. But I think the fix that I did here is going to fix it, and I might actually put caulk on the outside instead of trying to get it in this crack like I did here, and underneath that plastic strip that I showed you out there. I think that'll be probably as good or maybe even better of a method of sealing than that. This one here, pretty much from there to there, the window wasn't even adhered. You could push on the glass and the glass would flex away from the frame. So for now, what I'm doing, I can't work on the windows, right? I was over here tapping on every one of these, looking for loose glass, just to see if I could tell. I mean, Jesus, hopefully at least some of them are not going to leak, right? Yeah, hear that? Let me see something. Yeah, it might be these two surfaces rattling against each other. Time will tell when I squirt it with the garden hose. But anyway, now with the windows in, it gets pretty warm in here. So I was thinking about spending a little time here today and just trying to forecast my thoughts of what this back wall is going to look like when it's done, and install the top piece of plywood that's going to get installed across here, and install the air handler part of my mini split. There's all the copper coils right there. So I'll be able to run the AC while I'm in here. So, yep, that's what we're doing.